Hello, my name is Homer Alcantara. I'm excited to do this video. Telling something about myself. In my current job, I was working for almost 10 years in a different environment because I was working in a cruise industry. But it's the same setup as I always do, or most of the time I'm using or doing administrative job using some or mostly administrative tools on my day-to-day job and task. So on my day-to-day, I can say I'm not mastered, but I'm very much confident on my skills, where I can check and manage my emails on the day-to-day basis. I'm working closely with the executive committees, some project management tools like Smartsheet, because eventually on board I was monitoring the entire operation for security in a way that I need to maintain the equipments in all the things that's happening in the security operation. And I can say I did a good job and I managed to do my job very well by using these tools as my strength. So recently, I completed the course wherein I learned a lot of things. Actually, it opened my mind that I'm still not good enough. So I when I entered this course, the course is like BA skills, or some of the BA, how can I say, it's a training for BAs how to improve their skills, which is I learned a lot of things. And I can I can say an example is the social management or social media management. There's a lot of tools you can use, and I can also say that scheduling in calendar meetings, all of these things I've learned on the course that I took, and I'm really excited to apply this. If you're gonna give me a chance, and I would love to dedicate myself, and I'm really committed on what I'm doing, and I'm really happy. Looking forward working with you. Thank you.